Dear students, today we are going to discuss about linear equation in two variable. As in our previous classes, we have discussed about linear equation in one variable, and we know that linear equation in one variable, that is ax plus b is equal to 0, and the value of x is unique, that is b upon minus b upon 1. It has unique solution. Now we are going to discuss about linear equation in two variable. Let us take ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is standard form of linear equation in two variable, where a, b, c are any real number and x and y are variable. These two variable makes linear equation in two variable. The power of x is 1 and y is also 1, then you can say this is linear equation, and when you plot this equation you will get a line on graph paper. Let us discuss what is value of a, b and c in these examples. Root 3x plus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x is root 3, so you can say the value of a is root 3, value of b is equal to 2 and value of c is equal to 6. Take another example. 5x minus 2y plus root 3 is equal to 0. Compare it by this standard equation. The value of a is 5 because coefficient of x is 5 here, and coefficient of y, that is b, is equal to minus 2. Take negative sign also, and the constant term, that is c, is equal to root 3. Example 3. Root 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. It is linear equation, but the second variable is absent. It can be written as, means I am going to make it into variable. Root 3x plus 0 into y plus 5 is equal to 0. Here the coefficient of y is 0, so you can say this term is 0, and so it is absent here, and here the coefficient of x is root 3, so the value of a is root 3, value of b is equal to 0, and constant term is 5, that is c is equal to 5. Compare this equation. Root 5y minus 7 is equal to 0. Here x is absent, there is only one variable, so make it into variable and you will get 0 into x plus root 5 into y minus 7 is equal to 0. That is value of a is equal to 0, value of b is equal to root 5, and value of c is equal to minus 7. Take negative sign. Let us take some statement how to represent the linear equation if some statements are given. Suppose the given statement is Shiv has got 5 marks more than Ravi. Convert it into linear equation in two variable. Suppose the mass of Shiv bx and mass of Ravi by. Then according to this question, Shiv has got 5 marks more than Ravi. Shiv marks is 8, x, and this is equal to Ravi's mark plus 5. That is, this equation is our required equation, and we can write it in standard form. It will be x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now this statement is converted into linear equation into variable. The statement is cost of pen is twice the cost of notebook. We have to express in mathematical statement which is linear equation in two variable. Cost of pen, suppose let us consider cost of pen be x and cost of notebook by. Then according to this statement, cost of pen, it means x, is equal to twice the cost of notebook, 2 into y, and it may be written as x minus 2y is equal to 0. Dear students, you can solve exercise 4.1. That's all for the day.